What's up, guys? We're in the woods-ish with Brinley and my dad, and we're gonna feed some squirrels.
Yep.
And Brinley, tell them what we're gonna do when we get to 50 subscribers.
I actually have no clue.
Okay. Yeah. Dad, tell them what we're gonna do when we get 50 subscribers.
We're gonna try and do live streams.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So we're gonna try and do live streams. We're only 3 subscribers away from 50 subscribers.
I already subscribed, so I can't.
Then you should.
I should actually subscribe on my mom's phone and my mom's computer, and my dad's phone and my dad's computer, and my sister's phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, oh, there's a bunch of nuts here.
Those are just like.
There's a bunch of these nuts.
Okay. You found some? There's like.
Well, these are acorns.
Acorns.
Wait, do you still have yours? Yeah, so we're in Escondido right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna feed some squirrels. We're gonna try and find nuts.
Oh, is that one?
What?
Oh, never mind. Oh.
Oh, there's a lizard. Guys, look. There's a wild lizard.
And it's gone.
He went under that rock over there. Yeah.
Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's right there. Look at that, guys. A wild lizard. No.
Okay.
Alright. Trying to find a nut. What the heck? Yeah, so this is the area we can find squirrels at.
And like fat squirrels.
Yeah, fat squirrels. Big chunky monkey squirrels.
Yep.
There's a bunch over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh. Nut. So. This guy looks good. Alright, guys. There he is. Oh, there's another one right there. No. What did I have to do again? Just hold it out?
I think it's too far.
Yo, guy. Yo. Brother. Anyways, since that was... Oh, guys. Ducks. Wait, did I mention that this is my first video using the GoPro? Nope. If I didn't mention... Oh, there's a squirrel.
I usually use like your...
Yeah. I didn't mention that this is my first time using the GoPro. So. Oh. Anyways, we're taking a nature walk. No, come back. I'm holding nothing in my hand, guys. Let's see if he thinks it's a rock. That one's climbing a tree.
Bye, buddy. Oh. Come here.
Guys? Wait, Brinley, do it.
Yeah. He's too far.
No, he's not.
Yes, I'm seeing right now.
Do it. Now. Okay, guys. She's attracting a squirrel. Brinley, pick up the nut. Oh, is he attracted to my GoPro? Brinley, you scared him.
I'm scared. Okay.
How did I scare him? How did I scare him? Oh, wasn't there like turtles or something over here?
Yeah, all over the place.
Or frogs? Oh, squirrel!
Oh, that's a big one.
Here, do it. Do the thingy.
And I can...
We're watching you. Just bend down and try.
Guys, this is for a nature documentary. Come on. Well.
You need one like right in this thing.
I thought last time we came here, there was a bunch of frogs. But that was just me, Brody.
I don't know.
Dog. What? There's a dog. See that guy behind the rocks?
Oh yeah.
This was where.
There's usually more dogs. Like, I think there's more in the cement pathway where most people like run into their running thing.
Maybe.
People walk their dogs.
Whoa.
Oh, there's a turtle. See the ring?
There's a turtle, guys.
I don't see it.
Hold on,
Somewhere.
You'll only be able to like,
Oh,
see
there's
the-
tadpoles. See that little thingy? You can see the tadpoles. We should have brought that waterproof thingy. Oh, there's bubbles. Yeah, there's little
Oh,
tadpoles.
there's a turtle's head poking up.
Oh yeah.
Where?
There's a big kind of big
Oh.
one. See him straight
Oh,
up?
whoa.
I don't know why there's like less animal park in this water.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably not only split up.
What the heck?
Alright, which way should we go? Left or right?
Right here.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're going left. Oh. Wait, is that a tennis ball?
Oh, that
There's
apple?
a ball.
That's an apple. Wait. I don't even know.
Oh, yeah, that.
It
Wait.
looks like a fruit. Yeah, let's go to this side. What the heck?
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure
It's an apple.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a piece of plastic.
it's a piece of plastic. Don't litter, guys.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
look it!
Oh, it's a lizard.
There's a wild lizard.
Come on.
Kind of stinky.
Ooh. Oh yeah, don't fall in. Oh, yes, we're gonna see the nature.
You can see some little fishes
You got the ducks right to your right.
and some ducks.
And that's it. And those like tadpoles.
Oh, there's a little turtle's head.
Oh yeah, a tiny.
What the heck is that thing?
Turtles.
No, there's that thing.
Poop.
No, it's moving.
It's probably like a little like.
That thing
I
right
know,
there.
I see it. It
What
looks
is that?
like a little like piece of a turtle's head. Like a tiny like.
Maybe.
Oh, look at that turtle. Oh, it just went under.
Wow, you guys don't want to be on camera?
Oh my God, there's the.
It's a snappy turtle.
I don't know. We're going into the desert.
It's not really a desert. No, it's not. Alright, guys, left or right?
Going right there.
What's up, guys? We're going.
You pick. I don't think there's that much wildlife.
Where should we go? Which way?
Go to the left.
This way?
This way?
No.
This way.
Is this the right way, guys?
No, because this way there's not.
Yeah, there's
Oh!
Stay still, Jack.
Guys, look. Brinley's attracting a squirrel. Or the squirrel's just digging. It's just taking so long.
And it's done.
Yep. Well, you almost did it, Ben.
Oh, or B. Guys, wildlife.
Yeah. This doesn't really seem safe, guys. What if something jumps out at us?
It's okay. That's why we have a GoPro.
I don't know. What do you mean? Why? Is that a pack of cigarettes?
Yep.
Yeah.
Don't litter, guys. It's bad for the environment.
Okay, guys, left or right?
Well, I'm pretty sure. Wait. I heard something. What the heck is that?
The snake. It's a piece of.
Oh, there's a
I want to see a snake. But like from far away. Like not far away.
Guys, there's a bee.
Guys, should we go in that?
It's only one way.
Yeah, let's
No, let's not go through there.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're going through this Death Valley. Alright, let's go. Anyways, guys, that was our tour of the Death Valley. That literally looks like a piece of fruit.
Okay. I guess we can go right.
What do you mean go right?
Like that.
Stop laughing.
What's so funny?
We're going this way? Let's see if there's any tigers.
Alright, so now we're going into the dry Sahara Desert. Now we have 3 options.
Oh, this is part of the,
Oh, I think.
yeah. This is part of like the disc golf course.
Oh.
But
Where's the
trail, says the trails are closed, so.
Where's the driving range?
Let's go back to where.
Disc golf.
What's that?
Frisbee.
Disc golf?
Oh,
It's like golf with frisbee.
Disc golf?
Your camera work is horrible, Jackson. You're shaking it everywhere.
Well, it's because it's the first time, right? Don't blame me. Alright. Can't expect me to know how to use a GoPro for like
you just hold it out.
the 7th time, the like 100 million bajillionth time.
Okay. Oh, look, a dog. He's big and
Guys,
shiny.
look at that dog. I want to pet that dog.
Yeah, me too. It's cute.
I want to pet that dog. Want to pet that dog?
Excuse me? Can we pet your dog?
Jump.
Oh, she's so soft.
Beth.
What's her name?
Macy.
Hi, Macy.
And she likes to use her mouth to show love.
We have a lab. That's
Oh
how-
yeah. She is all everything. We got her from a lab rescue. She has 0 lab in her. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, I have a golden retriever and a dog.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we going?
Wasn't there? I'm pretty sure there was squirrel.
It looks kind of like a little island hiking.
Island boy. Did it? Hold on. I remember there being like some frogs somewhere here. I can't remember though. Look at all these holes in the ground, guys. Third person point of view.
Oh, look, you're done.
Oh jeez, that's a lot of ducks. Now see, guys, I could run over there and, you know, all the ducks would fly over here.
No, she's like the queen of ducks.
Ooh, she has duck food. Quack, quack.
Oh no, a giant dog.
We can just walk up that way.
I want to feed some ducks though. See this? Look at all those ducks. Wait, they have like purple feathers on.
Yeah. Why does he have purple feathers?
Oh, color of their feathers.
Purple feathers.
What if I run?
Or don't scare him because he's trying to.
They just really
Ooh, what's down here?
Let's see. There's probably like frogs over here.
Scanning. It's just like spot the difference or something. Or like find the odd thing out. I don't know. Nothing interesting.
Okay, we're gonna go down. Yep, thank you. Yep, thank you. We're gonna go down this little path.
Which little path?
There's like a little like creek. I always go down.
Yeah. Put on my gum. Oh, I remember this path. I almost pushed Brody in. Guys, don't litter. Why are you guys littering?
Chris, you're not coming?
Doesn't go very far.
He's too chicken.
Oh, and you're missing the puppy.
Dog! No, what about the dog? Excuse me, sir? Is it okay if I pet your dog?
Sure.
Hey.
His name's Kirby.
Oh, that's Kirby's name.
They have a weird friend named Kirby.
Oh, do you?
Hey, puppers.
Oh, yeah. Well, I didn't mean to, but it's an appropriate name because he is like a Kirby guy.